All right, here goes the first round of grinding this stone. Okay, here we go. This is after the grind. Looks nice. Okay, here we go with this stone, the striped stone with 400 grit. Okay, this just finished up the 400 grit. It looks very shiny because it's wet, but it does have some nice features that are being shown right now with these stripes. So let's see what it looks like with the next round of polish. All right, here we are with this striped river stone. Getting ready to start 800 grit. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. Still wet, but man, it sure has a lot of color in these stripes. I look forward to seeing what it looks like when it's completely finished, but that was grit 8. So we're going to move it up to probably 1500. So let's take a look. Okay, here we are with the striped river stone with 1500 grit. All right, here we go with this striped river stone. It's turning out really nice. I hope that I'm wiping away some of the water, and it still looks very glossy. So I look forward to seeing how it'll turn out after the final the final round of polish. So this is looking really good. Okay, here we go. Final round, 3000 grit with this striped or banded river stone. Now if it does this again. Okay, this turned out pretty good. Let's take it under some better light. All right, here we have the finished product of that river stone. Turned out excellent. Almost looks like wood. Almost looks like a petrified wood. But yeah, it turned out great. You can see some of the nice features. These nice stripes. Let me try and zoom in. It's a little too close, but you can see some of the grain. But it's very smooth. It's very heavy. The finish turned out excellent. This was surprising. Now I also have the cut piece. This is what it came from. So you can see the grain structure in this piece that I had cut off, and here's the outside. You know, this is what it looked like when I found it in the riverbed, and this is what it looks like all polished up. I don't know. I'm thinking about making a stand and stacking them. I'm not sure yet, but this is not going to be big enough to do another sphere, but it would be a shame to waste it. So I might do something and that I can incorporate both pieces. So we'll see. I'll make a video of it if I do, but otherwise, yeah, it turned out great. It'll be a nice part to my collection. A good piece that shows you don't necessarily know what a stone is going to look like when you find it looking like this, and then it ends up like this. So thanks for watching, and like this video if you were interested in it, and I'll see you in the next one.